Hey guys, how you doing? Dave here. Welcome back to Cook and Share. I love chicken and I love food with an Asian twist. And this is just perfect, this honey black pepper chicken. And the great thing is you can do it under 30 minutes and everybody is going to love that. So let me show you how to do it. So let's begin by making our super delicious sauce here with 2.5 tablespoons of soy sauce, a heaping tablespoon of hoisin. Now you can use oyster sauce too. I just like the hoisin. It's got a nice taste to it. 3 tablespoons of honey. I just love you, honey. 2 tablespoons of water. Now you can use cooking wine, Marin, whatever you like to use, but I'm trying to stay off the cooking wine. And of course, you know what I'm going to say. I dare you, my all-time favorite, ground black pepper. Take my handy-dandy whisk and just whisk this up until it's nicely combined. And set it aside. Next up, I'm going to add some olive oil to a wok. Now you can use peanut oil, vegetable oil. I just like olive oil. By the way, here's a test for you. Who was olive oil in a cartoon? Now that my wok's smoking, I'm going to add in half a peeled onion, sliced, and a clove of garlic. And take my handy dandy spoon and stir this around. I don't know if you have a bit of trouble hearing, it's loud, but that's okay, it's cooking. Okay, that's pretty good, guys. Now I'm going to take about 500 grams, 1 pound, of chicken slices, cut into bite-sized bits. Now you can use beef here, pork, whatever you like. I just like the boneless, skinless chicken. That's about 3 boneless chicken breasts. And we'll just give this a stir around until it's cooked through. Okay, after about 10 minutes, the chicken is no longer pink. And it's nicely cooked through, so I'm just going to set this aside. Next up, I've turned down the wok a little, and I'm going to pour the sauce in. And I'm going to stir this up and let it simmer until it becomes syrupy. And what you're going to find is the bubbles will become larger and turn to a syrupy color. Doesn't this look good? It's time to put the chicken back in. And we'll just let this simmer for a couple of minutes and toss it until the chicken is nicely coated with the sauce. Now once the chicken has absorbed the sauce, you're good to go. Now we're going to serve this up over a bed of hot steaming rice. Wish we had smell-o-vision. And of course we're going to pour a little bit more of that delicious goodness over the rice. Last up, we'll garnish this with some green onions. And there you have it, guys, our honey black pepper chicken in 30 minutes. Okay, let's go ahead and give this a taste test. This is so good, guys. For a few simple ingredients, those flavors just come together beautifully. You're gonna love this, gotta make it. For the full scoop on this recipe, head on over to cookandshare.com. All kinds of great stuff over there. Thanks for watching, thanks for subbing, and see you next time.